Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. As has been read by the CS Roads and Transport, as the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, we are going to support the service charter, the airport charter, that is going to define our working relationship as different agencies domained at the airport. You need to appreciate that in the past, a lot of service provision has been hampered by the competition between institutions and functioning as silos. We have today come here to announce that never again shall the airport operate, and airport operating agencies shall operate as silos. They will now work as one united team at the airport, led by the Kenya Airports Authority. And we have pledged as the Minister of Interior that our staff that are police officers who are serving in this airport, together with the immigration officers serving at the airport, will ensure that they work together in humility under the leadership of Kenya Airports Authority to make sure that service delivery is achieved. In the past also, there have been complaints that some of the officers operating at the airport cannot be identified, and blame has gone to the rest of the country because some of them may have, one or two may have misbehaved while handling our tourists and our visitors. We have now made it mandatory that the police officers operating in this airport, the immigration officers operating inside this airport, shall all of them wear a name tag. And should you misbehave at the airport, we shall be able to identify you, and the customers will be able to identify the officer who was working with them. We have also agreed that under this charter, we will make sure that there shall be a command center where they will be monitoring using technology at the airport to make sure that they are not abdicating their responsibilities. So they shall not be drunk when they are serving. They shall not be also handle our visitors rudely or speak to them in a manner that is going to hurt the visitors. So they shall be enhanced customer care services at the airport, and therefore all of them will undergo training, customer care training. Working under one agency through this multi-agency approach under the charter shall be served the country and give our visitors and our citizens of the Republic who are passing through the airport a better customer service. We know, and this is better be appreciated by everybody, that we are working under a constrained infrastructure facility that is more than 45 years old. It's actually nearly 46 years old. Therefore, it's very difficult for us to customize the spaces that are there to give us a better experience, including the issues of e-gates and a better space for us to put immigration services. However, we will try our best to make sure that we innovatively increase the spaces where people are going to be screened and cleared. But be that as it may, under the long-term services we want to or the projects that we want to have at this airport, it is urgent for the Republic of Kenya to quickly now think through the leadership of the Ministry of Roads and Transport, how we shall quickly have a better airport that will give citizens of this country and visitors of this country a better experience. It cannot be an excuse that the challenges we have witnessed in the past will stop us from having these facilities. We must continue and urgently find ways of ensuring that we have a better airport facility that will make us competitive, but also enable the other agencies that are operating at the airport, including those representing the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, to have a better space where Kenyans and other citizens and other visitors coming to the country will be cleared in a better way. You can see our commitment. We have been consistent. We do not wish to become the stumbling block. And you can see at the level of Deputy IG that there has been a representation in this process to make sure that everybody is going to operate in a better manner. You will be seeing our officers wearing better uniform with name tags, and they shall be identifiable based on the services they are going to give to our customers at the airport. Asanteni sana, and may God bless you. And on a light note, it's good to see that there is a new airport roof, and that in the last few months and almost years, now a year or so, we haven't witnessed leaking at the airport. Congratulations to the KA team for a job well done. Asante sana.